In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix TikTok repost button not showing. So if you're currently having problems with your repost button not showing on your TikTok and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because I myself had the exact same problem and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here, which is perfect. So now what we're going to do on our TikTok app is to firstly locate the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click on settings and privacy, as you can see. And now you should be taken to this page. On this page, just simply scroll down until you can find where it says report a problem. And the reason why you need to click there is because we're now going to contact the TikTok customer support. I did this myself and it worked. And actually they do respond back, just so you know, and they do fix the problems. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report. And as you can see, we should now be taken here. So now we're going to write exactly like this to the TikTok support to be able to make this work, just so you know. So I'm going to write like this: I am having issues with my repost button not showing on TikTok. I need this to be fixed. So this is basically exactly what you need to write. I am having issues with my repost button not showing on TikTok. I need this to be fixed. So now click on submit. It's going to take a couple of seconds, just so you know. And perfectly, as you can see, I have this ticket right here where it says open. They will reply back to you in a couple of minutes, maybe in a couple of hours, depending on how much they're actually doing right now. But it took like a couple of minutes for me to be able to get a response back from them now. So I hope that it will also be quite quick for you.